Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to unbox the Blackjack playing cards. The Blackjack playing cards are 100% plastic playing cards. The Blackjack playing cards are superior quality playing cards. And they are affordable playing cards. The Blackjack playing cards are great for spending fun and quality time with friends and family. Everybody will have a lot of fun playing. Guys, let's start unboxing. Please watch this video till the end. The Blackjack playing cards come with two standard playing cards decks in a case. These playing cards are portable and inexpensive, and the rules are easy to learn. Playing cards can teach us so many things, for example, math skills and memory skills, as well as strategic thinking. Each deck of these playing cards consists of 52 cards. With a standard 52 card deck, you can play, for example, hearts game, fantan game, euchre game, and much more. Card games have always been a great way to pass the time. Each deck also includes one blank card and two jokers, each with a different color combination. There are 13 cards in each of the four suits: clubs, diamonds, hearts, and spades. Clubs and spades are black, and hearts and diamonds are red. Each card suit includes 3 court cards, face cards, king, queen, and jack, with reversible, double-headed images. These playing cards are durable and long-lasting. The two joker cards look so beautiful. The joker cards act as the topmost trump or the best bower in some card games. There are so many powerful benefits and advantages of playing card games. Laughter, competition, excitement, and the desire to win make playing cards one of the most entertaining ways to pass the time. As I mentioned earlier in this video, a standard deck of cards has 4 suites: hearts, clubs, spades, and diamonds. Each suit of playing cards has 13 cards, which include ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, jack, queen, and king. Thus the entire deck has 52 cards, plus one blank card, and 2 jokers cards. Several reasons make card games so popular. Generally, the rules are simple and can accommodate more than 2 players. And you can put a deck of cards in your pocket and play hundreds of different games. To summarize, the Blackjack playing cards are 100% plastic playing cards. These playing cards are long-lasting. These playing cards come with 2 standard playing cards decks. Each card deck includes 52 cards, 1 blank card, and 2 joker cards. Please do not forget to like this video. Share this video with friends. Leave your comments in the comment section. And subscribe to my channel.